The medical debate stirred up by NFL superstar Peyton Manning. The Indianapolis Colts quarterback has been sidelined this season by a neck injury. Surgery after surgery has failed, so Manning recently flew to Europe for stem cell therapy that's not approved in the U.S. As ABC's John Berman reports, that has some doctors here crying foul.
Stem cell therapies are often hailed as the future of medicine. But in the United States, strict regulations limit their use, and for good reason. Patient safety comes first. But at the same time, stories of professional athletes traveling abroad for these treatments raise an important question. What role should policy play in advancing cutting-edge medicine? Today, we'll break down the science behind stem cells, the regulations shaping their use, and how thoughtful policy changes could benefit both patients and innovation. Let's dive in. First, let's break it down. What exactly are stem cells? Well, think of stem cells as your body's natural repair kit. These unique cells have the ability to divide and develop into specialized types of tissue, like muscle, cartilage, or bone, depending on where they're needed. For example, if you injure your knee, stem cells can be introduced to help regenerate cartilage or repair damaged ligaments. But they don't just turn into new tissue. They also release signals that reduce inflammation and attract other cells to aid in healing. It's like hiring a team that not only rebuilds, but also coordinates the entire repair process. Now, this ability to regenerate and repair is why stem cells are such a game changer in medicine, especially for injuries that don't heal well after traditional treatments. However, this process isn't without challenges, and it's tightly regulated to ensure safety, which we'll dive into later. Now, stem cells have incredible potential, but in the United States, their use is carefully regulated by the FDA to ensure treatments are both safe and effective. These regulations fall under the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act, the FDCA, and the Public Health Service Act, or PHSA. Let's break that down. Stem cell therapies are classified as human cells, tissues, and cellular and tissue-based products, or HCT/Ps, under 21 CFR Part 1271. Whether a treatment is allowed depends on two key factors. First, minimal manipulation, and second, homologous use. Now, let's explore why some of the world's most elite athletes are traveling overseas for stem cell therapies. These athletes face sometimes career-ending injuries, yet some return to play stronger than ever. First, there's Peyton Manning. We all remember him after undergoing multiple neck surgeries, turning to stem cell therapy in Europe as a last-ditch effort to heal. Following treatment, Manning returned to the NFL, and he later led the Denver Broncos to a Super Bowl victory in 2016. Then we have Kobe Bryant, who we remember traveled to Germany for platelet-rich plasma, or PRP therapy, on his knee, a treatment closely related to stem cell therapy. His experience not only extended his NBA career, but also helped popularize PRP and stem cell treatments amongst athletes. Now, Bartolo Colon's story is just as fascinating. After suffering major elbow and shoulder injuries, he underwent stem cell therapy in the Dominican Republic. These treatments directly injected stem cells into his injured areas, and the results were reportedly incredible. At an age when most pitchers are retiring, Colon made a comeback and continued playing in Major League Baseball. Now, here's a big question. Should US policy evolve to make stem cell therapies more accessible? On one hand, regulations protect patients from unproven treatments. On the other, delays in approval processes can push innovation abroad, leaving Americans behind. The good news? Experts believe policy updates could accelerate access while maintaining safety standards. For example, streamlining clinical trials for regenerative medicine might help us harness the full potential of stem cells. Now, thank you to everyone who made it to the end of this video. Stem cell therapies hold incredible promise. And this is just a brief primer into the incredible world of research into stem cells. But the thing is, they also come with complex ethical, legal, and medical questions. By diving into the science and understanding the policies shaping these treatments, we can advocate for solutions that are innovative while being safe and effective. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. How do you think policy should evolve? And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. It's a small action for you, but believe me, it's the best thing you could do to help us grow. Until next time, guys. Stay informed, stay inspired, and as always, stay dynamic. Peace.